kasur kabri uhnyo trap ka khat ka were baro kinong shnong ka Mawlai banwa de Lama Iong ha ka Jaka banwa ka Lama Lairong jakri India ha ka khalai tere unailar arhaja arpuar kane kande ka dak jing prasha ka jing pamla ka Sorkar Mda ban pelaj pajba ka kaipot halor ka jing sha siat yap uba church feel thank you.
On the 12, 13, 14, these 2 days, coming few days, which relate to the death anniversary of Thank You, we want it to be very peaceful, and we don't want any involvement with the police also, especially in Mawlai. So we want that at least we should be given space to carry out our small programs and to pay respect, to pay tribute to this great leader.
Halor kaniu mintri rang ba badrap jaka Sorkar Jillau ba Preston Tensong ulong ba yakri ka kaipot on one ra ka sis dang jaka dorbar sanrai kata ka khandai tarik unai lor ahaja arpuar kumdau karpat ekani ka seng bakan long ka bayaisha ban ailad baka Sorkar kan board iki kendon hashawan pelaj ba ya ka kaipot.
Well, in fact, we have already instructed police and we requested them also. Yes, you please do whatever you feel like to do in honor of late Cherish. Thank you. They can do any program, whatever they feel like. And that also I appeal, I requested them, do any honor whatever you wanted to do, please, but please don't create law and order. That is my request to all of them, because we don't want to see again law and order problem in the state.
What about the police presence?
Concerns that why couldn't the government, hold a special session just to discuss about this report?
Well, but I think that does not rise, because this session will start, because it is not so simple. By saying, please hold the session, special session. As I said to you, since we are already approaching, it's a matter of few days only, session will start from then. I think it is good enough that be patient and you'll get all the details on the 9th itself, on the first day of the session where we start.
They don't want any police presence there during the meeting of.
Well, if they don't need, I think that sentiment, we respect that. But at the same time, we requested from the government side, please make sure that you don't have to take the law on the law on your own hand. And number 2, please make sure whatever programs that you have, please make sure it is peaceful and no law and order is created.